Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for being watching us and please subscribe to our channel, like and share with your friends if this video is quite interested for you. So let's have to start. Today's video or another videos about ESL companies. They are hiring and they are very good for the people who want to teach online or wanted to start their careers. So the first company is about Voxy, the most effective way to learn English online, and you can also look at their website on the internet. It is voxy.com as you can see. Here you can just scroll down and see the about. You are going to click on the careers and find what is suitable to you. As you can see here, you are going to find all the related informations and everything you want to know here. So as you can see, here is the option to join the teaching careers and you can apply over here. Okay, so let's go to the second company. So the second company is about Verbal Planet. It's quite a good company to teach online. Okay, so connect with the whole world of new teaching opportunities. They say like verbalplanet.com is the easy and effective way for language teachers to work online and connect with new students around the world. As you can see here, the application is open over here. You can just click on apply online now and you can sign up as a tutor with your basic informations and city, native language, email, and so on. So the next company is about TeachLingo. Yeah, as you can see here, the online application is opened. Get the attention of recruiters, create a profile, create your profile and upload Oh, so as you can see here, sorry for the incident. So as you can see here, the Teach Lingo is quite good company to teach online. You can just create a free account. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, so here you can just find like you are going to sign up as a teacher, full name, email, password, you create your profile and you follow the instructions. So the next company is about Berlitz, as you can see here. Is also a good company as the other like I have already introduced. Okay, in their website you are going to find all the relevant informations regarding the conditions and all the stuffs. So as you can see here, uh, it's all about cares. Okay, so they are having current US opportunities, worldwide instructor opportunity, and current worldwide opportunities. Let's click on current worldwide instructor. As you can see here, 3 weeks ago, looking for English instructor, okay, in Spain as well, online English instructor as a freelancer, Mexico also online English teacher, and so on. In the website, you are going to find all the relative informations. We cannot read everything. As you can see, the result is, oh, sorry. As you can see, 101 results. Let's check the current worldwide opportunities.